Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do an April plan with me video. So I'm going to start off by cleaning off March of my large dry erase calendar. I've had this calendar for a long time. I like to use it above my desk just as a quick reference for the date. It's good for when you're a student just to have like that quick reference for what the date is, because you have to keep your date straight. So I'm going in with this thin purple dry erase marker for the month of April. But as I'm writing with it, I'm noticing that it's kind of shaky just with the way the tip is, and it's kind of hard to read from a distance. So I decided to erase that, and I think I'm going to go in with this green chisel tip marker. I like it better because it's a little bit thicker, it's easier to read. So now I'm just going to go in and fill in all the dates. So now I'm just getting a better angle. I'm only going to fill in the major holidays on this calendar. I don't like to put in every little specific date or due date or anything like that on this calendar, just because it kind of makes it look messy, and I like to put all of that in my planner. So I'm just going to go in on the 12th and just write in Easter, because of course Easter is on the 12th this year. I couldn't decide on a single color to choose to write in Easter, so I just used all the spring colors I had. So I went with blue, purple, green, pink. In hindsight, I don't think I would have used the yellow for the E, because it's a little difficult to read, but it's alright. I just finished by doing an underline because maybe that'll help you see the E better, but it doesn't. So now I'm just going to go into my Happy Planner. This is the large version of the Happy Planner. So this is my first sticker book. It's by the Happy Planner. It's the budget one. I'm only going to use like 1 or 2 stickers out of here. I'm pointing to the one that says Make Things Happen. This one is my seasonal sticker book. This one's my favorite because it has the most stickers, and there's a lot of stickers for every holiday and season, just a lot of things to choose from. So I'm just showing you all the different choices I have for Easter and springtime, and there's just a lot. Pages and pages. So first I'm going to go in on the 24th and write down last day of spring semester, because that's the last day of the semester. And that's important to know just because that's when all of my stuff is due by, that Friday. I do take online classes, so I don't have to write in every specific date just because it's all online, but it's nice to know when the last day is. So now I'm just deciding what sticker I'm going to go in with first. I decided the first one I'm going to use is this big cursive one that says Easter, and put that on the 12th. It does already have printed on the calendar Easter, but it's nice to use that large sticker because it's easier to read. It's kind of eye-catching. So now I'm going to go into all these large floral stickers. I like these because they just seem very bright and just cheerful and springy. So along the side, that's actually a spot where it says self-care checklist, but I don't really use that, so instead I'm just going to fill it with flowers. So I'm just going in and just filling it with various different types of flowers, whatever I think would look good. worries. So next, I'm going to go into the budget sticker book and use that one sticker that says make things happen that I pointed out. And I'm just going to put that in the left upper hand corner. I think that's just a nice thing to put in your calendar sometimes, just to remind you that you can make things happen. So then underneath the 24th, where it's the last day of the semester, I put a sticker that says you did it. Just, because it's been a very long, just crazy semester, so this just signifies you did it. We made it. So now I'm just searching for something. I don't know what I'm looking for. So I'm just sifting through all of the seasons. I decided I want to use that big purple banner that says Hello Spring. I thought it would look cute up by the word April. I like to fill in the white spots next to the month and the year. So next I'm going to go in with these little banner stickers. I think they're little like hearts, metallic hearts. And I'm just going to go even across the 2020 because they're very transparent. And I end up using 2 sets of those just because the one wasn't quite long enough. So I used a shorter one too. Things are a little crooked, but then again, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's just your planner. So next I'm going to go in with this rainbow where it says look for rainbows underneath. I thought that was cute, so I put that up in the right hand corner. I was going to use an Easter egg, but I decided that I didn't want to use it. I feel like Easter eggs are a little played out. So I was just looking around. I decided to use this love. I know it's probably for Valentine's Day, but I thought the colors just looked nice with all the other pinks and purples. So I just put that up there in one of the dead spots where there's no date. Next I went in with this little sticker where it says bloom baby bloom in different like pinks, purples, and blues. I thought that was cute. So I put that in another little dead space. So when I saw the bloom baby bloom, I was like, well, I think I need some plants around it to tie it together. So I chose these little succulent plant stickers and put those around it. So as I'm doing that, I thought that it didn't look complete right there. I'm just searching for something to kind of tie it together. Decided to use that little blue flower. And I think it's a purple pastel heart. I thought that looked a little bit better. So next, I think I'm looking for something else to put into a dead space. That big sticker kind of popped out to me. I know it's kind of out of frame. think it says, let the beauty of what you love be the beauty of what you do. So I stuck that there. I thought that looked nice just to kind of fill in the dead spots. I know it kind of hangs over the 25th, but I don't anticipate anything happening during that day, so just cover it with a sticker. Next, I'm going to go in with these stamps. They came in a kit of 3 stamps. Again, it is Happy Planner themed decorations. And on one side, it's just a red heart. I'll show you right there. The top is a red heart stamp. So I'm just kind of scattering those around in the white space to try and tie things together. And it's nice for little stamps like that because you can kind of go crazy without it being overwhelming. So next I'm going to go in with the bottom stamp. It's like a little green, kind of like flower asterisk looking design. And I just filled that in where I didn't fill in any hearts. And you see I just totally almost knocked my camera over. But it's alright, it didn't fall. So next I'm going in with this one where the top is like a black exclamation point, and I put that all around the last day of the spring semester just to exemplify the fact that we're done. The bottom sticker was just red little stars, so I put that in the block where I put the "You Did It" sticker. Again, just to show it's over, we're done, we made it. So now I think I'm just sitting back, assessing what it looks like, seeing if I want to add anything else. And I'm pretty sure that's it. Again, I think I just stubbed my toe, but it's alright. Well, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.